Hi guys, and welcome back to Taste and Bloom. My name is Yasmi, and today I am sharing my creation, which I'll be calling corn dough custard. Did you say oh boy? Shay, it go over you. Now let's go over the ingredients. We'll be using some milk, corn dough, cinnamon, an egg, and water. The list of the ingredients with their measurements will be listed in the description box below. So I'll start by cracking my egg into a bowl, and then I'll add my milk and whisk them together properly. And then I'll go ahead and set it aside. The next thing I'll be doing is that I'll add my corn dough to my water and stir it in properly till all the lumps are dissolved. Then I'll set that also aside. So moving on to the cooking bit, I'll pour my egg and milk mixture into a saucepan on fire and then continuously whisk to prevent the egg from curdling. And now if you're new here, if this is your first time here, you're warmly welcome. Take a seat by subscribing and joining this amazing family. So once my milk begins to boil a little, I'll proceed to add in my corn dough mixture and then stir that also in continuously to prevent lumps. Okay, then last but not the least, whilst it's boiling, I'll add my cinnamon powder. So this is as simple as that. My corn dough custard is ready to be enjoyed by my bloomers. Feel free to adjust the quantities of water or corn dough that you use to adjust the thickness that you want to achieve. But bear in mind that once this cools down, it becomes a little thicker. So you might want to take that into consideration. You remember our sleep-inducing African foods, right? Yes, this cocoa is a winner. So I hope you've enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, and most importantly, do not forget ever to keep blooming.